100% success guarantee. Our goal is simple: help your business acquire financially qualified prospects who are ready to purchase your product or service before you pay for the annual software plan. We focus on the difference between just having software and having a proven process that works using software. Our coaching teaches sales professionals a simple, structured approach to use the system effectively, combining permission-based follow-up with measurable lead conversion strategies. We provide one-on-one coaching and structured processes to help sales professionals acquire financially qualified prospects, deliver weekly offers, and consistently implement permission-based follow-up. This ensures your software investment and efforts translate into real, measurable results. Our simple onboarding process. We guide sales professionals step by step to quickly acquire clients using a structured, results-driven approach. Step 1. Marketing. Start with the marketing activity that's easiest for your business, whether leveraging your sphere of influence, referral marketing, networking, social media, or ad campaigns. Step 2. Ideal client profile. Who is your ideal client? We help you identify financially qualified prospects that match your target profile and demographics, ensuring your outreach focuses on the right people. Step 3. Offers. Develop compelling offers that your ideal clients will respond to enthusiastically. Offers they'll say, "Yes, I want this." Step 4. Pre-sales equal lead qualification. Reach out to your contacts, leads, referrals, and network to identify prospects who are financially capable and genuinely interested in your product or service. Once identified, these prospects are segmented in the software for permission-based follow-up using lead magnets and targeted offers. Step 5. Sales and follow-up. Use the software to update call lists, organize contacts, and prepare follow-up content between calls. Follow a structured schedule with standard operating procedures to measure activity, track improvement, and move prospects closer to purchasing. Approximate time frame. Building a financially qualified prospect list can take 1 to 30 days, after which your business can start acquiring clients using our system. Annual software plan agreement. We begin with our free pipeline management software, designed to help you organize leads and manage your book of business. This free version doesn't include automations or features with usage costs, but it's all you need to start connecting with financially qualified prospects ready to purchase your product or service. When you're ready, the annual software plan includes both a setup fee and an annual payment that unlocks the full suite of software features. If you prefer to wait, you can continue using the free pipeline management software until your payment is made. When you sign up for the annual software plan, you'll also receive 90 days of our marketing and permission-based follow-up service completely free. This service is offered as a separate optional support resource to help you improve your general marketing and client communication skills. Each week, our team helps you create a short video that highlights your offer and drives engagement. Our annual software plan also comes with a 30-day free trial and delayed payment option with no credit card required. Try it out risk-free. If it's not the right fit, you can cancel anytime within the first 30 days. No hard feelings, and we'll part as friends. Delayed annual payment option plus 100% success guarantee. After 30 days, if you decide to continue, your annual software agreement becomes active, but your payment can still be delayed. Why? We want you to experience the software before paying. Our 100% success guarantee means that if you don't see measurable improvement within 90 days, we'll continue providing access to our coaching and free pipeline management software at no extra cost until you do. If results still don't happen, the agreement simply ends, with no payment required. Until the annual payment is made, you'll continue using the free version of the software with limited features. When the annual payment is made, the full version of the software unlocks, including automations and optional features with usage costs. Why it works? The annual payment covers software access only. This is not a referral fee, revenue share, or pay-per-client arrangement. Our system is designed to help professionals improve lead conversion through permission-based follow-up, empowering you to close more clients effectively and ethically. Ready to start acquiring your next client? Sign up for your 30-day risk-free trial today, no credit card required, and get immediate access to our free pipeline management software and coaching. Start building your financially qualified prospect list, creating weekly offers, and implementing permission-based follow-up before you pay for the full software plan. Ready to get started? Visit humanbrainbox.com/pricing and click Get Free Software Account. A marketing success manager will personally reach out to help you launch your client getting system.